Hi friends, this is Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we're doing a fun elastic hairstyle. This is what it looks like. Let's get started.
First off, you want to make sure that you have hair that is tangle free. I'm working on damp hair. This style will look and hold best if you are working on damp hair. So first up, I am going to create a center section. This is going to be 3 to 4 inches across, but it's going to go from the middle of her right eyebrow to the middle of her left eyebrow, and you're going to leave hair down on either side. And then we are going to come back around 4 to 5 inches depending on how big your child's head is, but you want to come to the back of the crown section. The rest of the hair I'm going to secure into a loose ponytail for now, so it's out of the way. Take the front section and comb it to the side, and then make one confident swipe from one side to another. I find that sectioning out a middle part is easier like this if I comb the hair to the side to get my part and then put my ponytail in the middle. The next thing that we're going to do is create another ponytail. You're going to have 5 ponytails in all, so you want to plan accordingly. Try not to make them too big or too small, and as even as possible. If they're not completely even, it's not a big deal. So I'm using a little bit of gel. Again, the hair is damp. The first section I'm going to take and split it into 3. So one on the left, a middle section, and then one on the right. The middle section I'm going to bring back and add to the second ponytail and secure it all in an elastic. Then we are going to create a third section, and I'm going to repeat what I did on the last one. So the second ponytail I'm going to split into 3. One on the left, one in the middle, and then one on the right. The middle strand again I'm going to bring back into the third ponytail and secure it all with an elastic. So we're going to create our 4th section now. So I'll have my 4th section, and then that back section is going to be your 5th. Again, we are going to repeat one part of the ponytail to the left, one to the middle, and then one to the right. Add the middle portion to the 4th ponytail. And then we are going to repeat this one more time. So the rest of the hair is going to go into my 5th ponytail. And then one last time, the 4th ponytail we're going to split into 3 even pieces and then secure with an elastic. From here we're going to be connecting these side pieces. I'm going to take the strand from the first ponytail, wet them down, put a little bit of gel in them, and then comb through them. And then the strand from the second ponytail I'm going to split into 2. So the front part of this strand I'm going to add to the first ponytail strand and add an elastic about 1 inch down. I'm going to do this again on the 3rd ponytail, splitting it in half, and then that half that I split from the second ponytail, I'm going to combine it and add an elastic. And then on my last ponytail, I'm going to take that part that I split, and the last ponytail, or the 4th ponytail you're not going to split, I'm going to add those 2 together and add an elastic. We're going to turn her head around and repeat this on the other side. So I'm going to take the first ponytail and half of the second ponytail strand, add them together about 1 inch down and add an elastic. I'm going to turn her around so you can see it from a different view, but I'm taking half of the strand from the second ponytail, splitting the strand from the 3rd ponytail in 2, bringing the front strand together with the back strand from the second ponytail and adding an elastic, and then repeating this step one more time. So the back strand from the 3rd ponytail and the entire strand from the 4th ponytail. Now if your elastics are up too high, then it's going to sort of lay funny. So you'll take this time to kind of slide them down the hair a little bit. You can leave it as a half up style at this point, which we originally did. Or for more active play, you can put it into pigtails. So I'm going to show you how to put it into pigtails. So I'm just going to make a center part. And then because these, the sections that are holding with the orange elastics, because they come down to the side, you want a pigtail that's on the side of the head, more on the side and less on the back. If you bring them around all the way to the back of the head rather than keeping them to the side closer to the ear, then they're just going to kind of lay funny and they're going to be pulled back more. So here is one last look at our finished style, and we hope that you liked it.